With all the craziness going on, it may be time to take in a spa day at home to de-stress. If you want to know how to make this decorative, spa quality pink grapefruit lip and body scrub, then keep on watching. Welcome back to the channel. Subscribe. Click the bell to receive all new posts. Like this video. Use this scrub to combat fine lines, scrub off dry skin, battle oily skin and breakouts, and boost your mood with its natural aroma. Benefits of pink grapefruit for skin. Grapefruit is high in vitamin C, fiber, lycopene, and antioxidants. Prevent sun damage and increase collagen production. The antioxidants in grapefruit help fight free radicals that cause wrinkles. It can detoxify your skin. Use it as a brightening agent. It can also be used to improve the overall skin tone. The natural acids help to exfoliate dead skin, keeping your pores clean and your complexion bright. Warning: these exfoliating scrubs can be used on the face, lips, and skin. So before applying, complete a patch test on the back of your hand and wait at least 15 to 20 minutes to ensure there is no allergic reaction to any of these ingredients. Note that these vibrant colors were made ahead of time strictly for assembly, as well as the lip scrubs. I will be sharing the lip scrub recipe in a separate video. Materials needed for pink grapefruit sugar scrub: grapefruit, white sugar, pure cane sugar, mixing bowl, a spoon, grapeseed oil, tea tree oil, juice extractor, cheese grater, orange and pink food coloring, an airtight jar. Pink grapefruit sugar scrub recipe. Add a half to 1 cup of sugar cane. Add a half to 1 cup of white sugar. Next, add in 1 to 2 tablespoons of grapeseed oil. Mix well. Your mixture should look like this. Add 1 to 2 drops of orange food coloring. Mix well. Now it's time to add in some of your grapefruit peels. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of grapefruit juice. Mix until all juice is incorporated. Your mixture should look like this. Next, add in 5 to 6 drops of tea tree oil. Stir this juicy mixture well until all ingredients are incorporated. Set this juicy mixture aside. Complete the same process with your pink food coloring. Get ready for assembly. Time to assemble your layers. With a smaller container, scoop one of the vibrant shrubs and place it inside the corner of a clean and sanitized jar. Now start building your layers around it. Carefully remove the small container. Continue to press scrub together. Now choose another vibrant color. Add it into the jar. Add in your next vibrant color with the small container. Add this to a different corner of the jar. Start building more layers around it. Now carefully remove the small container. Now carefully pat down your scrub. Create this line in the center of your jar with your last vibrant color. This will be your divider for your lip scrub. Now choose one of your lip scrubs. Add it into the jar. Let's take a closer look at the layers that we created. This layer effect creates different levels of moisture. Assemble your second jar as desired and add your lip scrubs at the end. Have you tried my sweet and delicious coffee lip scrub recipe? I will leave a link above and below in the description area. Let's get into crafting these jars. Use fastener dots on the top of your jar. And the bottom of your rose. Outline your rose with Elmer's transparent glue. Then apply your glitter, like this. Shake off any excess glitter in a bowl. Your rose should look like this. Add your ribbon and your sticker. Make sure your ribbon is long enough so you can tie it twice. Use your glue gun to add on a butterfly gem. Here is your final product. Jar number 2. Cut tissue paper in the shape of a doily and place on the lid of the jar. Now secure the jar with the rim of the lid. Add your dotted marker to the lid and to the bottom of the rose. Outline your rose with Elmer's transparent glue. Then add your glitter. Shake off all excess glitter in a bowl. Your rose should look like this. Form a bow with your ribbon. Then glue to the lid of the jar with your glue gun. Then glue your rose petal to your ribbon. Now glue your butterfly gem to the petal. Add a few gems at the top of the jar. And don't forget your sticker. This is your final product. Let me know in the comment section below which scrub is your favorite. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for more spring scrubs like this one. Subscribe for more natural remedies. Click the bell to receive all new posts. Give us a like. Comment below. Share this video.